Hey guys, so today we're going to be checking out some DIY clothing hacks and clothing tips and clothing tricks. Right here we have someone who has got a lot of material. Oh, it's a dress. Ugly. She made it so cute. How are such young girls so creative? My word, that looks stunning. She's so good. My word. Okay, I like this more. This part, not this so much. I like this part. I actually like this part. Nowadays, a lot of girls are not into the part where it must be simple. Everybody's. I didn't even get to complete my sentence. Let's watch her do it. Firstly, my cutting would have been way off. So, my mom has a sewing machine, but it's my mom's. I don't think she actually even wants to give me a chance to attempt. So, I'm not even gonna ask because I know I'm not good at it. My word. She put the elastic in everything. So she's taking a skirt and transforming it into a top. So it's going to be a scrap. I'm also really liking the tie-dye outfits now. I'm really into those. I just need to get my hands on a couple. I have a feeling this is going to come out better than I expect. I told you guys. I know that I would mess it up, so I wouldn't even try because it's just not for me. And look at how stunning these girls make these outfits. She's got the pleats right and everything. Like how? Where did you guys even learn this? Firstly, it's literally on a different level. I mean, look at how stunning she made it look. And they know their body shape. That's what I like. They literally know their body shape and what's going to suit them, what's going to look nice on them, so that they make sure that they take advantage of those parts of their bodies. Oh Lord, look at how stunning this looks like. You know those cheerleaders, like, okay, she's not feeling it. You can even see it in my attitude. Her sewing is like to next level perfection. That's not for us anymore, honey. Ooh, sheesh. Okay, I like that. I'd wear it just like that. I really like that. Nuh-uh. What did she do? I got a feeling she's making a crop top and a skirt. Is she hot gluing it? But But you know what? She rocked it and she aced it. She actually made it look really, really good. A $7 one, she is going to turn it into something boss babe. I told you guys. You can see she has that vibe in her, like where you can see she's very creative. If you look at her background, you'll notice how creative she actually is. Let's see. Aha, I knew it. You can see she's not feeling it. And by the way, that looks like Kitty's clothing. I would never in my life attempt that. That's just not for me. Not at all. I love the ideas behind everything, but like when it comes to the sewing and everything, that's where I just like lose interest, because I feel I can't do it. Even though I try. Nah, I don't even try. I think I try in my mind, and that too tires me out. So look at how perfect it is. Guys, if you can try this out, please let me know so I can ask you guys questions. I'd get cut, I'd get hurt with the sewing machine, so plus I don't even have the time and energy to fight with the sewing machine. That's cute. Are we transforming that into that? I guess we are. So she leaves a little extra gap. See the time, the precision. You really have to have a creative mind and a patient mind. Look at how beautiful that actually is. Okay, so let's see what we're going to end up turning this into. I'm really eager to see what this is going to turn out like, because the dress was beautiful. Now you gotta make it more beautiful. See, look at the time, look at the amount of focus, the amount of energy you need just to make this perfect. That's on a whole another level of sheesh. My gosh. So anyway guys, that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll be back with another amazing video. I'm out guys.